हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है। देखिए, अ करंट फ्रॉम ए टू बी इज इंक्रीजिंग इन मैग्नीट्यूड, व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंड्यूस करंट इफ एनी इन द लूप एज शोन इन द फिगर सी, राइट। इफ द करंट इज गोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, सो फील्ड विल here it will come inside and then it will come out of the plane of the this loop, so the field will go something like this. Okay, so here it will be magnetic field due to the, right, due to the current in AB. Now since the current is increasing in magnitude, so this field will, right, the field which is coming out of the plane, it will also increase, and hence due to the Lenz law, induced current will, right, a current will get induced in this loop, which will, right, which will try to oppose this increasing magnetic field. So obviously in, right, in order to, right, since the magnetic field is coming out of the plane and it is increasing, so in order to oppose it, right, the current will go in this direction, so that it will oppose the increasing magnetic field. All right, so the induced, so I can say from due to Lenz law the current will, so I can say here due to Lenz law, right, current will be induced, right, current will be induced in the loop to oppose this in the loop in clockwise direction. You can say in the loop in clockwise direction, in the clockwise direction to oppose the increasing magnetic field, to oppose the increasing magnetic field, right. So, right, so here the current will be clockwise, so answer will be clockwise, and the reason is due to Lenz law. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.